Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Jaynal Abdin, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a class for the class 2. Our topic is Subject Islam, topic SQ A and B, class number 2, and that is means class number and lecture number 2 and SW number also 2. Term half yearly, and it is my name and it is my mobile number. If you can any problem, please ask me and contact with this number. Okay, let's go to today's reading and today's topics. Main topics is SQ number 1. SQ, dear student, we know that SQ means short question. Today I will discuss two short questions. A, did this world create itself? Did this world create itself? Dear students, in your book here included, and that is means synonym question as the same equal question, did this world create itself, and in your book write it, was this world made by itself? Was this world made by itself? Again I am telling that, did this world create itself and was this world made by itself as the same question. Okay, just you have to write in this line your answer correct. Okay, answer: no, this world did not create itself. Almighty Allah has created this world. He has created everything. Okay, now I am reading again. Question A, did this world create itself? And if you here included the question, was this world made by itself, as the same question. Okay, answer: no, this world did not create itself. Almighty Allah has created this world. He has created everything. Question number B, does Allah need anything when He wants to make something? Does Allah need anything when He wants to make something? Answer: no, Allah does not need anything. Here unclearly anything. Okay, here anything. Anything. When He wishes to make something, it will be. Okay, it will be. Okay, you just again I am telling you that the question number B. Okay, question number B, that is here will included comma also. Okay, here it will here include comma and it here full stop. Okay. Okay, I am telling again that today's lecture number 1 and SW number 2 SQ, that is means short question A and B. A, did this world create itself? And in your book, was this world made by itself, as the same questions. Answer: no, this world did not create itself. Almighty Allah has created this world. He has created everything. B number, does Allah need anything when He wants to make something? Answer: no, Allah does not need anything when He wishes to make something. It will be. Okay, dear students, your SQ number. Okay, that is means your SW. Your SW number B. Okay, B number question. B number your SWB. Okay, B number SWB. We have to write B, question number B, SQ B number, write SW. If you want to make your question, no problem, and right answer. And if you want to know just answer, no problem. Okay, dear students, today's topics was SQ number 1. Did this world create itself, or was this world made by itself, as the same question. And question number B, does Allah need anything when He wants to make something? Dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topics clearly. See you again, inshallah.